Shiba Inu cost is going to twofold this night. Colossal boat news. Digital currencies are acquiring prominence and acknowledgement, with new coins and tokens routinely raising a ruckus around town like Shiba Inu, and the send-off of Shibarium is an impending Layer 2 or L2 blockchain organization based on Ethereum for Shiba Inu. It will change Shiba Inu, an image coin, into a total biological system. In this video, we will discuss Shiba Inu cost is going to twofold this night. Immense boat news. Remember to crush the thumbs up, share and buy into the feed to see our most recent substance on Shiba Inu price expectations and master examination. Moving along, we should start the video. Shiba Inu has turned into a critical image coin and has gotten a situation in the best 20 digital forms of money by market capitalization. The group behind Transport has kept a consistent speed of improvement and different ventures. The boat environment has been very known for its striking benchmarks and achievement accomplishments. In one of the new achievements, Binance disclosed the choice to move Shiba Inu out of the development zone on April 18. As per the subtleties of a new declaration, the biggest cryptographic money trade has divulged its choice to move Shiba Inu close by different tokens, including Frax Share Trust Wallet token and 1inch out of the advancement zone on April 18. Binance referenced in the declaration that the development zone was acquainted with give Binance clients a protected spot to exchange new and imaginative ventures over the long haul. A portion of these tasks might have demonstrated their value and meet the elevated degree of standard that we expect. Binance expressed that after cautious surveys, the trade has chosen to move Transport and these different tokens out of the development zone. Shib achieved this achievement after Binance-led audits in light of different factors. So an individual made a content for the making of millions of wallets trying to pressure test the organization PuppyNet. The beta rendition of Shiba Inu Shibarium organization keeps on seeing a spike in the quantity of facilitated wallets, provoking interest in regards to the fundamental reason for the unexpected spike. As per ongoing exposures, a content was created to produce a great many wallets to push test the organization. A colleague behind Transport Pixel Little Guys, a Shiba Inu based NFT project, uncovered in a new tweet. The individual uncovered that they composed a content that produced over 9.5 million wallets on PuppyNet and completed more than 3 million exchanges on the beta organization. Furthermore, the colleague proceeded to uncover that they were additionally responsible for creating around 1,620 tokens on the test organization. Transport Pixel Pops DAO and Transport Pixel Little Guys token SPPX are among these tokens. Information from Poppy Filter, the assigned block Voyager for PuppyNet, shows that the organization presently flaunts an amazing 13.3 million wallet addresses with an exchange count of over 3.47 million. Review that the quantity of wallets as of late looked through by 86 in no less than 2 days, surpassing 5 million. This content was the impetus behind this momentous spike. The goal of the test network is to furnish intrigued partners with an amazing chance to direct different tests on the organization to confirm its viability and trustworthiness before its send off on the mainnet. As more than once underlined by Satoshi Kazama, the Shiba Inu lead movements of every kind tokens and exchanges saw on the test net are only for testing and are not genuine. Fostering a content to create a large number of wallets on the test network is a commendable exertion, since it can support assessing the versatility and effectiveness of the blockchain. Moreover, it can help in identifying any possible bugs or errors that might happen during the cycle. Pressure testing the organization is urgent for surveying its dependability. The content maker expressed they plan to assess the organization's capacity to deal with high-traffic circumstances like games and airdrops. What's more, they referenced running an airdrop script and different tests to evaluate the organization's exchange time flexibility in different capacities. At this point, there have been no detailed bugs in the previous month of spring. The boat copies have been very amazing. In spring, 6.78 billion boat tokens were copied with 540 exchanges. Both irrefutably, the quantity of boat obliterated and the quantity of exchanges hence showed a critical increment contrasted with the earlier months. The Walkhorse Shelter was the most noteworthy since October 2022, when 9.05 billion boat were copied in 2433 exchanges. Yesterday, the boat copy tracker reported that over 34.92 million Shiba Inu were copied in 3 exchanges, with 25.31 million boat coming from a solitary wallet. This biggest exchange came from the Coinbase-related wallet Coinbase 10, which moved an astounding 25 million. 313,097 BOT to the copy address in a solitary exchange. This exchange caused the all-out copy rate by 1,108% contrasted with the earlier day 2.93 million BOT. An indication of the vertical pattern additionally comes from the prospects market. Starting from the start of spring, Shiba Inu has seen an expansion in open revenue. The measurement is the quantity of dynamic positions financial backers have taken in agreements. As per CoinGlass information, the quantity of open fates has surpassed 2.4 trillion BOT, comparable to around 26.78 million bucks. Simply a month prior, OI was about 18 million bucks. The expansion in open revenue is proof of merchants developing revenue in Shib. When the BOT cost hit its yearly high of $0.00015991 toward the beginning of February, the OI was 47.3 million bucks. At press time, the Shiba Inu cost remained at $0.000183. As examined on News BTC, the offer cost is as of now exchanging a climbing triangle, which is a continuation design with the present plunge to $0.000164. BOT has composed a new higher low, thusly the upswing stays in salvageable shape. A ultimate conclusion on whether the bulls or bears win could stop toward the finish of April. Shiba Inu has started catching financial backers' consideration of late as its fates open revenue OI as of late soared to 2.4 trillion tokens, 27.51 million bucks. In the midst of a progressive increase that began a month prior, this rising example recommends a recharging of revenue, evoking expectations of a cost flood. Fates open revenue alludes to the all-out number of extraordinary fates contracts not settled or finished off by a balancing exchange. Basically, it addresses the quantity of agreements that are as yet dynamic and held by the market members. When a resource's open revenue increments dramatically, it by and large proposes that a lot of new cash streams into the market and that brokers are taking situations, fully expecting cost developments. Per information from CoinBlast's fates exchanging knowledge stage, Shiba Inu's open revenue has expanded by more than 52% from the low of 18.05 million bucks saw on walk 13 to the ongoing degree of 27.51 million bucks worth of BOT tokens, 2.4 trillion. The OI graph uncovers a connection between Shib's open revenue and its cost activity, as the resource's cost frequently enrolls an increase. When its OI increments, OI expanded to 3.2 trillion tokens, 47.3 million bucks on February 5. This was joined by a flood in Shib's estimated to $0.000157 on that day, the resource's most noteworthy worth this year. Anyway, Shib's OI began declining after February 5, and the resource's cost additionally started enlisting plunges following a decay to the low on spring 13. The open revenue is again seeing a flood in esteem. Financial backers are anticipating that the resource's cost should follow. After accordingly re-established, interest for Shib has likewise been seen in exchange volume on Binance since dropping to 1.58 trillion BOT. On April 8, Shiba Inu's volume on Binance has consistently expanded day to day, in the beyond 4 days volume for now as of now remains at 2.44 trillion tokens. In spite of its ongoing underperformance, Transport is hoping to break over a climbing triangle. It is as of now trapped in the midst of the lengthy combination time frame. The resource is as of now exchanging for 0.000011, down 0.97% in the beyond 24 hours, however up 0.8% in the beyond 1 hour. A break over the triangle could see Transport focus on the February highs of $0.000015. Late patterns propose that the resource has turned into a number one among market members, and an expansion popular could uphold its objectives. CoinMarketCover's Q1 2023 report unveiled that Shiv was among the main 3 most seen resources across all landmasses. The Shiba Inu local area likewise, as of late, prodded a famous organization with unbelievable artists Scott Page, as well as a NFT cooperation with top American VIP stoneworker Jack Storms, which would see Storms, with the exception of BOT, on his authority store. That is a wrap for now. Remember to crush the thumbs up, share and buy into the feed to see our most recent substance.